Alright, y'all, Mini Martha Stewart is back in action. Today is a bake with me, my infamous box hack French vanilla cake. Let's do it.
You know Christmas.
Hey player, what you gonna get for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Come on.
First, I took 3 tablespoons of this, which is the International Delight Vanilla Cappuccino Mix. And we're going to get that together in the Keurig. Oh, let me take this out. I made that this morning. Y'all, I had to be to work at 6 a.m. so I did that. So I want this to just dispense hot water, continue, and give me about 6 ounces of hot water. And that's all right with me. So we want it just enough to dissolve that cappuccino. And I'm going to cut that cappuccino with half and half, which is going to make my liquid for the French vanilla cake. So in my liquid hot cappuccino mixture, which is French vanilla, I'm going to add some French vanilla creamer. This is really going to set it off. And keep in mind, your creamer is a liquid, but it is non-dairy, which is why we need the dairy and the fat from the half and half. Also, all of my baking items are room temperature, y'all. My eggs are room temperature, the half and half, and the creamer and the butter softened. I set them out before I went to work this morning. I had to be there at 6:07. So when it comes to buttering and flouring your pan with a bundt pan, I try to make sure I get this area here a whole lot. That way your cake slide out the pan, because there's nothing worse than a cake coming out raggedy on my buttered and floured my pan. So in the bowl, here I have my 2 eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of liquid, which is the cappuccino mixture. So I also have my 1 cup of vegetable oil that's going in. And the secret ingredient to this cake is 2 things. Half a stick of cream cheese that's already softened, and a box of French vanilla instant jello pudding.
Hey player, what you gonna get for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy?
And she is all hot and out the oven, y'all. So now it's time for the moment of truth.
You know Christmas was made for the children.
Yay! And now I'll come back later tonight with my cream cheese vanilla icing. So in this bowl, I have the French vanilla creamer. I have the softened cream cheese and a little bit of powdered sugar. I didn't put the butter in it because I'm not doing a traditional buttercream. This is going to be more like a vanilla cream cheese glaze to glaze on top of the cake. So and here's how moist and soft it looks by the slice. I know y'all can tell the moistness in this cake just from the video. Like, look at it. I'm going to squeeze it and it stays. That's a moist ass cake, okay? Let me get in focus. All right. Martha Stewart. Oh, shoot. I will see y'all on the next vlog.
Previously on Diva TV.
Right, she even 8 candles with receipts. They're like, it's showing return. Hi, return. They're walking here with them. Jasmine, we just witnessed somebody return something. What she said? Oh, you have a receipt? Oh, it's perfectly fine. I should have just said I got one.